I may not be a rainmaker, but my dance of joy and delight will surely touch the heavens, bringing forth a rain of peace, grace, and favor.
Mercy's coming, and it's coming with judgment. There'll be mercy for